done. There is only one thing left, and that's naming you. What should we call this year's snowman? What do you think? Should we call him Carrot Nose, maybe? No, that's not okay. We can call him Huge Belly. But no, I don't want him to misunderstand us and get upset.
What about Snowy?
We can call him Frozen Bear or Shaky.
No, none of them fit him correctly. Maybe it'd be better to name him like last year, Snow White.
I think the best one is Snow White. Nice to meet you, Mr. Snow White. See you tomorrow.
I love you so much, Snow White. I hope you won't leave us early like last year. I have so many things to tell you.
Aw, Manny, it's awful. Did you know that Snow White will go away when the sun rises?
But why is that? Mutlu loves him so much, he'll be so upset.
Oh, I hope he doesn't leave.
Come on, Mutlu. Let's go get inside now. See you later, Minnie. See you later, Manny.
Okay, see you later, Snow White. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had fun with us as well.
Manny! Wake up, Manny! I saw Snow White fly away in my dream.
Okay, Minnie, let's go and have a look. Aha, look, Minnie, his stuff is here, but Snow White is gone.
Mutlu will come in a minute and he'll be very upset if he sees that he's not here. Come on, Manny. Let's make another snowman quickly.
Good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing here, huh?
Well...
Snow White has left. He left his stuff here, though. Please don't be upset, Mutlu.
That's right, Mutlu. You don't need to be upset. We can still make a rabbit from the snow if we can't keep the snowman here.
But I'm not upset, not one bit, because Snow White didn't go anywhere. He just melted. It happens like this all the time. Snowmen melt when the sun comes up and everything heats up. And this tiny rabbit from the snow looks so cute as well. Thank you for this, Neşe. We should also name him before it melts. What can it be? Hello there, See You.
See You, Mutlu? What a strange name. Are you really naming him See You?
I sure am, sis. It's the perfect name. He'll see you every time we see him before he melts, just like Snow White did.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.